Merry Christmas, everybody. Don't know if you'll see this on Christmas, but it is December 25th, 2015. And instead of making a so let's get started. I got season 2/season 1 Shopkins So Cool fridge. So there's the front. There's a sign. There's back. It comes with Playset, 2 exclusive Shopkins, 6 mini Shopkins, 2 shopping bags, 2 sticker sheets, 1 cup. And it says that. And so I'll get it out of the box and be right back. Okay, so it's out of the box. And I don't know either of these exclusives, but here it is. It is just a cupcake or yogurt. And it is clear transparent at the bottom, and then this one is a soda like that, and it's clear, and that one's filled, and then here are the eggs, and then this moves. It will focus. This actually moves. Over here is, let's put this little Shopkins up here later. So there's a compartment there, there's a room in there, 2 shelves up there, and this is the pink version. It also comes with 2 bags, purple bags. It also has this tray down here, like so. And then you got this cup, and then you just, boop, there you go. So this is the Shopkins season 2/1 So Cool fridge. It also comes with these stickers, like so. Comes with the stickers. So thanks for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, share this video, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.